Friends, families, and future clients, 5 best reasons why it's best to invest in Agapea Towns in Calamba, Laguna. Minimum lot area of 70 square meters and a floor area of 50 square meters. Meron tong 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. Carport na kaya ang 2 sasakyan. Low down payment promo. 10,000 pesos to reserve and for as low as 11,000 for 6 months, magkakabahay ka na through bank financing. Complete amenities. Meron tong basketball court, clubhouse, swimming pool, and playground. At may kasama pang chapel. Mabilis ang bank approval dito at mabilis mate-turn over ang mga units. Ongoing construction. Very accessible si Agapea Towns. Malapit siya sa SLEX, sa lahat ng major establishments, at sa lahat ng mga mass transportation. If you'd like to know more, you can contact me, Broker Nick Dimanlig, here in Agapea Town.